how to change the penalty taker in EA Sports FC 25. Now once you're awarded a penalty, the helper will pop up. You can skip through this, you just use the left stick to aim and get this circle at the smallest point before you press the shoot button. But when you come to the main page like this, you'll see in the top right hand corner you need to use the right trigger to change the kick taker. This little menu will come up. You can then select the new penalty taker. It will then change once you've selected them, and you can then take the penalty with that new player. If you don't change quickly, it'll automatically take the penalty. So make sure you do this step quickly, and then you'll be able to take the penalty with your new player. So that's how to change the penalty kick taker in EA Sports FC 25.